Any commentaries you have before we start? Months, years spent practicing.
Can I say something? He's the dictator of the band.
Yeah. Oh no, don't tell him that.
That's why I'm in black, Yeah. All those years.
Know who wore black back in the day.
Very well done.
We had some issues, but now it's fine. We're all friends again.
Okay. Good to hear.
So let's go to the other member of the band. Do you have anything to say?
Well, no, I don't have anything to say at this point. Maybe another day.
Another day, okay.
Yeah.
Is it like the Beatles? You have 3 guys here and one of them is missing.
Yeah, we're looking for there she is.
Fantastic.
Let's go. Let's go find the other people. We are interviewing the members of the band. Hello. Anything to declare? Anything to declare?
No, it's for you.
Oh, thank you. That's great. Anything to declare?
I expected that in greatness. And I hope you catch every second.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
Awesome. And
legendary.